Alright guys, we're back. We're gonna do some demo trading today because we already finished up on the live. And I'm not really feeling like losing any money over there. So we're gonna be on gold and just gold. Yeah. Except we're longing at the moment. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but we're going a little more than 2 micros. I think our profit for the day should be around $200 to $300 and we'll call it good. Let's check my risk settings. See if it'll lock us out or anything. Alright, I don't think we're making 1,000, but we sure gonna try. No trade at the moment. We just swept the pre-market high or whatever. I don't even know. Swept a lot of highs actually. We swept Asian high, Asia high. Oof, wait. We just swept Asia high. I think if we break here, I'm getting into a short. And I'll be like, oh well, you just got on the charts. Well, if we sweep a high from a session, all right. This is Asia high right here. So we'll go on the 5 minute. Yeah, this is a short. Am I retarded? I don't want to take a trade too early, so we're actually going to wait for it to dip below this range. And if it doesn't dip below that range, then I'm not getting too short. And we could look for a pullback, maybe. But I'm not sure. My NVIDIA wasn't working this morning, so I couldn't record on NVIDIA. So now I'm on freaking, like, Xbox Game Bar or whatever. My PC is freaking weird. But it's alright. Doesn't really matter as long as I'm creating content. See how I do that? If we get 3-bar continuation, take out these relative equal highs, we're going to be going in. Because that means we absorbed all the orders above Asia high. And we did not retrace back down. And the only reason we would have done that is because we're still bullish. We've been bullish for a long time. Asia was a short. That would have been a beautiful short. How many dollars is that? What the hell? What? That's like $50 short right there. Absolutely gnarly. See, look at this volume. Look at this volume. We're not gonna get ever caught in barcode. If it does wick and flip though, we will be getting into a long. Because we have not taken out these highs, and if we break here, we'll be getting into a short. These are just the buy and sell zones, so if we break a buy zone, we're buying. We retest it, we're buying. But gold barcodes a lot in the first 5 to 10 minutes. It's pretty scary. I mean, this is a demo account, but practice how you play, you know. I just got off a freaking gnarly workout, dude. I took too much caffeine, my stomach hurts. That was rejection from our sell zone. We did not break it. We swept the highs, we barcoded, we retested it. It would have been a short entry. But we said our short entry was down here. We should wait for that to wick up, but then they leave a lot of lots unfilled, alright? You see how this came and filled this lot? And then, auction, not lot. I bet I sound retarded saying lot. Yeah, see it barcodes, dude. That's horrid. I wonder how the 21 EMA held so well. But you don't take trades just off the touching of 21 EMA. Is this a true... I don't know if I trust that 21 EMA. I think it looks different on the 5 minute anyways. We just wicked and flipped on the 5 minute. Let's see if we can hold that wick and flip. How many minutes left on the 5? 3 minutes left on the 5. See, we didn't... We closed in a 3-bar, I mean... Well, nothing's happened. It's kind of just messed around. I think it was stopping people out right here, but it rejected from our sell zone, so we're caught in a more volatile range. Yeah, I mean, just gotta be patient. It hasn't chosen a direction yet. But I honestly think we're gonna rip up. If I'm being honest with you, I think this is gonna be a big old candle. Oh, okay. Let's see if we're just sweeping that range. We're getting stopping outward. I don't know. We're buying this shit up. Just kind of put this right here. And I don't even know what to target. I guess we'll target 5 points. Missed a 2 to 1. Oh shit. That's not good. I want to see this candle fill out or I'm getting out. How much time do I have on it? I don't know why it doesn't show me the times, dude. We finally broke and went a certain direction. We just gotta expand, you know? We just gotta go. That's a pretty gnarly look. Oh shit. Dang. Just got taken the hell out. Whew. Volatile market, and it could wick and flip and continue, but if it does, we're getting back in. But that could have been the final sweep of liquidity. This looks like it's going to go up and then come down. I think I've seen this before, honestly. But I don't know why it didn't hit my level. What stopped it from going? There could have been a huge order block over here or something that I just didn't see because it was 5 weeks ago since we're at all-time highs. Probably swept all-time highs and then, yeah, 4, 5, 6, 8. What the fuck, dude? I'm not going all the way back there. There's gotta be a setting where I can put you to previous high, and just so I can see the previous high, on Tradevate. Let me turn on ATM. How many ticks is this? I don't know. Scalp it. Then we take 2 losing trades, we'll be done. Let's see how this goes. Touching the 21 EMA, it's either we're going to break with volatility or we're rejecting. But I don't know what makes the 21 EMA so powerful because it's just sitting there. VWAP is all the way down here. It's powerful when it crosses. See? Alright, that's nice. Alright, we'll make another trade like that and then we'll call her good. I don't want to make this video too long. I mean, that's honestly 2.5 points. And in a volatile market like gold, dude, that's all you need. And it could continue down here and we'll just hop into another short. But if not, I'm not, willing to lose money on my demo or anything. Practice how you play. I just lost $100. Obviously, that's not going to be I grew this account from $300, which we're kind of trying to mimic that. I think if we sweep these lows here, we're going to be good, but it's honestly still bullish. We got this really steep channel, and the steeper the channel break, the harder it breaks. Yeah, I mean, that's just clean rejection off, I guess, this zone right here, but it's not a good buy zone. I don't want to get into a buy. I mean, why would we continue from right here? It's kind of hard. I don't want to win, lose, win, lose, win, lose, win, lose. No, that's dangerous. I'm not trying to play no dangerous games, you know. We got slipped crazy on that stop because my stop was, actually no, my stop was around 2 points and almost $100. So, yeah, we didn't get slipped crazy. See, I didn't fill right here. It's just like I want to get in on an unfilled candle, you know. Like this means that auctions are left open. That means it's usually going to come down, and I get stopped out. Yeah. And this creates a barcode right here. But if there was good volatility and we were going in a certain direction, then it would honestly wick back up here and then come back down. But I don't know. I don't know. Looks like we just swept Asia. I think we're going to visit the short again. This was my sell criteria right here. And if we get stopped out, then we're not taking another trade, so. Well, that's the day. Gotta stay disciplined. I'm sure it's gonna go down. I have a tight stop with a volatile gold, you know, chart. It's gonna be rough, but like, let's just watch it for a minute and see if it was true or not. Because my take profit was about right here. Let's see if it hits. You know, practice how you play. I'd still be stopped out, but it's just about what the market would do. You see how it left 2 equal lows there? It creates liquidity for itself, so now it has to go down more. Even if it's not in this candle, it'll be the next. But people could be like, oh, that's a tweezer bottom or a tweezer top or all that bullshit. But yeah, what did you hit? I believe. I believe it was a good TP, but we might have got front ran. Yeah, gotta stay disciplined, man. That's 3 trades. 1 and 2. This one probably would have hit. And there it goes. We would have just got filled. But it's alright. You know, that's how it goes. Maybe I should have moved my stop up. Maybe I should have went to a 1-to-1. But you wouldn't have known that. You wouldn't have known I was going to do this. Just kind of how it goes. Alright. See you guys in the next one.